Snuggle Bear.
Where are you?
I'm just at the office, actually. I had some work to do, so I thought I'd stay late to do that.
Do you remember what day it is today?
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday?
I know that it's Tuesday, Brian.
Okay.
Oh, okay, it says here that Tuesday night is your dish night.
Oh, of course. It's my dish night. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babe. Look, as soon as I get home, I will, I'll do the dishes, okay? I'm sorry.
I can't believe you. Dishes? That's the best that you can come up with? Today is a special day, Brian. A very special, special day.
I'm not exactly finding anything here under very special day. Although it could be up in one of these boxes. I haven't been up there in a while. Hang on, let me get my ladder. Buy me some time. Here's some small talk.
Brian!
Yes.
Oh, it's in the back there.
What day is it today?
It's, your birthday? Hello?
Alright, here it is. Says today's your anniversary. I accidentally found it under miscellaneous. I'm gonna go and have a shower.
Brian?
Hey! You?
You look great.
So do you.
Well, look at her. There's a familiar face.
You know, I've missed you.
Who the hell is she?
Yeah, I've missed you too.
Oh, wow.
That's...
You don't have to say that.
No, really, man, how long is it? How long has it been?
3 years.
3 years?
Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
I know.
Wow.
I know.
Really? That's crazy.
Oh, I think I may have shredded this file.
3 years, eh? That's a long time.
Oh, no, wait, here it is.
So yeah, how have you been?
It says here that her name is Jennifer.
Jennifer.
It's Jessica.
Jessica!
Had the J.
Oh my god. You don't remember me.
Oh, no, I do. I totally do. I'm sorry. I've had a crazy week, and my mind is just totally elsewhere, so... Yeah.
Okay.
It says here that she had a crazy dog with a gimpy leg.
So, hey, how's that crazy dog with the,
He died. You were the one who ran him over, actually.
Oh. Wow. Hey, did you change your hair?
No.
Or no? Okay, that's... I'm sorry. Hey, can we start again?
Yeah. Yeah, sure we can.
Yeah? Okay, thanks. Hey.
Hey.
How's it going? Wow, does my memory suck.
I don't suck. Do I?
Remember names. After you take these FDA-tested 100% organic memory pills, I'll have you remembering slipping and sliding on your mama's butt canal. Now, let's get down to business. There's a number on the bottom of your screen. Pick up your phone, dial the number. 1-800-555-KAZAA. That's 1-800-555-5292. Give me a call, and you too become the memory wizard. KAZAA!
Remember when you spewed in bed and dreamt you were eating all bread? Remember when you were behind the bike shed and you and Suzanne Johnson played I'll Show You Mine If You Show Me Yours? Remember in the never-ending story where Atreyu tries to save Artax from the swamp of sadness but fails? Remember the pain you felt when your brother Ted told you that lemon juice heals all wounds and you poured it over your knee after you fell off your bike? Remember when you thought inflammable was the opposite of flammable and you set your bedroom on fire with a glue stick?
Caution. Men taking memory wizard pills between the ages of 25 and 30 may experience adverse and irreversible effects.
Remember when your best friend John went out on a date with your sister? Remember when your Auntie Jeannie kissed you on the mouth and she had mustard on her mustache? Remember when to convince Trevor Gibson to come over for a sleepover you told him you had the cereal Pro Stars but you really only had cornflakes? Remember when Frank Davidson's parents bought him a trampoline and you got double bounced over the fence? Remember when in the second grade Stacy Wharton gave everyone a Valentine's Day card except you because she said you picked your nose? Remember when the Blue Jays won the series back-to-back? Remember in physical education class Carolyn Simpson did back bends in a tight shirt and you pitched a tent in your gym shorts?
Brian McNeil never recovered. An FDA investigation revealed memory wizard pills cause the brain to flush all memory and revert back to a childlike state. His girlfriend Veronica admitted him to Cedars-Sinai Mental Hospital. Their relationship ended. Today, Brian is still at Cedars-Sinai, having lost his memory. However, he still repeats one word over and over again: Kazaa.